Raleigh Engine 1, Ladder 4, Squad 7, Battalion 2, Battalion 5, District 1, District 7, District 9, EMS 12, EMS 14, EMS 40, EMS 1, MVC bus at South Street and West Lenoir Street, at South McDowell Street and West Lenoir Street on Channel AC 17, Map 62 X-ray. Raleigh Engine 13, MVC bus at South McDowell Street and West Lenoir Street, at South McDowell Street and West Lenoir Street on Channel AC 17.
43 is out on TAC 17. Presscom, EMS 43 on TAC 17. Presscom, EMS 43 on TAC 17.
TAC 17.
Presscom, this is EMS 43, TAC 17. I see ours is upgraded to a Delta and we got a TAC channel. Can you advise why or who's responding?
TAC 17 to EMS 43.
43, go ahead.
43. First responders aren't going to that location and it out of the TAC pit automatically.
Copy that. Just checking. I'll return to dispatch. Thank you, ma'am.
79 en route.
District 9 en route. Wonderful.
Rescom 79 on TAC 17. TAC 17 to this one. EMS 79 on TAC 17. It says EMS is declined. Copy. TAC 17 trying to advise District 1 to find out what they want.
Squad 7 en route. District 7, 17. Battalion 2's en route.
Agent 1's route, 17.
TAC 17 to District 7.
1's on TAC 17. You have for District 7.
District 7, comment say EMS decline. Do you want EMS to proceed or what?
I'd say let us keep going until somebody arrives to come.
Copy.
Agent 1's on the scene. Lenoir McDowell. Agent 1 officer establishing Lenoir Street Command. All units stand by for patient information. 13's on scene.
Battalion 5 on scene.
Ladder 4's on scene.
Engine 1 officer, can you advise if you need additional rescue personnel?
Engine 1, all responding units. Engine 1 and Engine 30 will handle the scene. We've got minor patients on the bus and one driver in the vehicle is taken care of now.
Engine 1 from 79, can you give us a patient count? I know you said minor injuries, but how many patients are we thinking that we're going to have?
EMS looks like it's going to be 4 total at this time.
How many 4 total patients will be there in about a mile?
District 1's on scene. District 1 will be staffing now.
EMS 79 is arriving on scene.
Battalion 5 will assume command. Engine 1 officer, you're going to be our operations group. I want to work with EMS on where we need to park and what additional units we're going to need.
Engine 1 officer, copy.
Operations for medical patients on the bus right now.
Hey, District 1, just to give you a heads up, Engine 1 just told us that the number of patients is growing and that they're having complaints.
Operations, do you have a representative on the bus to aid with triage?
That is correct. We have one person with the bus, and we've got about approximately 6 patients at this time. People keep speaking up, saying they're injured.
Received. Command Headquarters, TAC 17. I'm sure you have RPD en route, but we're going to need to shut down this section of between Dawson and McDowell.
Chief to typical TAC 17.
Go ahead, sir.
Heard comments that your patient count is growing due to the east side out of 92 heading to the east side. Let's bring email on so you need that resource.
Copy. It is going to be all walking wounded. We are going to need a next EMT and APP.
District 9, pull it up.
District 7 is at 440 and Saunders.
District 9, would you start triaging on the bus with EMS 70? And District 7 assisting with transportation.
12 on scene. District 9, copy. Triage and transportation on the bus.
District 7, right? 40 on team. EM14's around.
There's approximately 10 people on the bus, so the number will not grow past 10. Approximately 10 people on the bus.
Copy that. There's medical. No need for emergency. Admission. Copy.
Operations and medical. I have a command post set up at the back of Battalion 5.
Okay, I'm going to join you there.
Medic 92 is en route to the ESEC for evac 1. Command from Operations Group Supervisor.
EMS 40 on scene. Go ahead for command.
2 occupants in the small sedan have refused all care.
Receive.
Medical from Church. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, triage. Medical from triage. Go ahead. I got 6 total patients on the bus. Do you want to transport with the transport on scene, or do you want to wait for evac 1? I think good what we got. We got 4 total, right? Okay. Should be good. I need 1 ambulance in here for refusals. Whoever that can help us out with that. Just had to go to the very front of the bus steering wheel is, and we'll get to them in a minute. Your last was garbled. What'd you say? Just set me 1 ambulance aside for refusals. You mean 79? That'll work. There with me. Copy. 79 for refusals. EMS 12, EMS 14, and EMS 40 for transports. Medic 92, you can cancel for evac 1.
92 copy. Cancel request.
All EMS units, please contact District 7 before you leave and advise them which hospitals you're transporting to.
District 7, direct.
District 7, EMS 40.
Go ahead for 7.
District 7, we are EMS 40 transporting 1 patient to Maine.
Copy 40 is 1 to wait.
Command from Operations Group Supervisor.
Go for command.
I just released Engine 13.
Received.
EMS 52. G200 to the medical. TAC 17.
Medical question.
Seems like you got things under control out there. I'm going to be switching back to dispatch, so I'm leaving TAC 17.
Yes, sir.
Command from Engine 1 driver.
Go ahead.
If you have an EMS personnel close by, could you have them come across McDowell? A lady in the Chevy would like to be evaluated really quick.
12, EMS 12, stand by. EMS 12 for medical, stand by. Across the street from McDowell, there's a lady that wants to be evaluated.
10-4, they're running that way.
Command operations.
Go ahead.
Captain, clear. You're down to 1 unit remaining. EMS unit and the supervisor still on, so I'm going to get in service. Command, turn over.
Copy. Thank you.